recording this. Okay, so this was the one that we were looking at, right? So we were testing that whether a particular dice is fair or not, and it has been rolled for many times. So if you sum it up, probably it has been rolled for 1,000 times. You can see here, right? And you want to see that whether this is a fair dice or not. So for that, you are going to use chi-square distribution. And so basically your assumption is that this is a uniform distribution. Okay. So what you are going to do first is you are going to take this data in SPSS. So let me close this. Someone of you please remember the name of the file. Okay. So now let me import this data. This is a CSV data. Okay, and what we are going to do is we are going to import this chi-test.csv. Now please understand that this data could have been in two formats. So this is one thing very important. One format could have been that actually you have 1,000 times actual value of the faces, what you have got. And another is that you have got this frequency table, right? So one thing is that you have the raw count of or raw outcome of all the 1,000 repetitions. Another is the frequency table, right? Okay. So if it is a frequency table, you need to do one thing. Okay. What you need to do is you need to go to data. Okay. And you need to go and select weight cases. Okay. What you are need to do, you need to go to data and you need to go and select weight cases. So once you do that, what you need to do is that by what you are going to weight your cases. So you are going to select frequency for that. You are going to use weight cases by and you are going to put frequency over here. Okay. So this is done. So now let's go back here and go to analyze. And in your analyze, we will now go to non-parametric tests. Okay. We will go to legacy dialogues and we'll go to chi-square.
Legacy?
Okay. Go to analyze. Go to non-parametric tests. This is in legacy dialogues. You are going to chi-square.
Okay.
Okay. And then you put your test variable sets over here. Okay. And you click OK. So basically, again, we will only focus on the things that we want to look at. So one is that it has found out the observed frequencies, so which were in the Excel, and the expected frequencies. See, the expected frequency it has taken to be 1,000 by 6 because it assumed it to be a fair dice, right?
Fair dice, right.
So from that, it has. So if it is a fair dice, you know how to calculate the chi-square, and the chi-square value comes to be 48.46. Okay, so you can use the chi-square table which I have shown in the earlier class, and this was the value, if you remember, where we were getting there, right? So 48.46 and degree of freedom is 5 because you had 6 different values. Degree of freedom will be that minus 1. So this is what you are getting as a chi-square value. Okay. And the significance is 0.0000. So this is definitely you cannot
reject null.
Yes, you will reject the null hypothesis that this comes from a fair dice, right?
So asymptotic significance mind ki sir?
So which one you don't understand? You don't understand significance or you don't understand asymptotic?
asymptotic significance. Significance তো clear স্যার।
What is significance? Please tell me.
স্যার সিগনিফিকেন্স দেখে আমরা মানে কনক্লুড করি যে whether we accept or reject null hypothesis, মানে যদি সিগনিফিকেন্স লেভেল 0.05 এর থেকে কম হয়
Perfect.
p value
Perfect. And what is the meaning? What is the meaning of asymptotic?
asymptotic means it would converge to infinite.
Yes. So basically,
I mean, asymptotes.
basically it is telling that the significance asymptotically goes to a very small value.
Asymptotically goes to
Very small
Very
value.
small value.
okay sir.
So it is not showing. Maybe this is actually 0.0000000016. It is
Very
not
small.
very small.
So it is approaching towards zero.
No, not approaching towards zero. It is approaching to a very small value.
Okay sir.
Okay. So this is about your your goodness of fit. Okay. So let me just
আর একটা